Good morning, ma'am. I am Miguel Unildi Angulo. I am from BSHM1 and this is my interview video presentation. Tell me about yourself. I am a responsible person, fast learner, and I can take my work seriously. Why did you choose hospitality management? I choose hospitality management because it is my passion and I believe if you really want your job, no matter what happens, you can easily perform it and it has a positive result. What are your strengths and weaknesses? My strength is being responsible to my work and I can perform well. And my weaknesses is to overthink, but I focus on action. How do you handle pressure or difficult situation? I stay calm, plan well, and focus on finding a solutions to solve the problem. Describe a time when you provided good customer service. I give some example. If our customers get the order or misorder they receive in that time, I will offer them complimentary meal or we will give them the half payment or um, free food to remain or retain the reputations of our hotel. Why should I hire you? Because I'm reliable, motivated, and responsible employee that you should hire because I always give my best to perform my duties and responsibilities. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? I see myself 5 years from now as an experienced and valued employees taking a higher position and helping the company to grow. And lastly, um, doing more challenging responsibilities in your company to grow well. How do you deal a customer's complaint? I will remain calm and acknowledging the concerns of the customers and finding resolutions to make to feel them valued and respect and treated them with dignity. What makes you a good fit for this position? This position is that given to me is not just about a new job for me, but this is new opportunities wherein I can perform my duties in my workplace and to show my dedications and determination in my workplace to grow the company. Do you have a additional skills or experience that can contribute in the company? The main thing that I can contribute to you in this company is to being good attitude towards work because I believe the skills and experience can be earned, but having a good attitude is it is not earning in the company, but you have this because you are a good person to work your job um, very well.